So guys, I'm going to show you how to replace the blower motor Mercedes E300. Remove this is the old one. Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace the blower motor. This is a Mercedes, is a E320, is a 2004. So what we do first, we come to the passenger side. This is the seat. We just come under here. This is the area we're going to work with. So first things first, the tools we're going to need. Let me just lay them down for you. So the first tool you need is this is a Torx. This is a Torx. This is a T20, and then you will need a Torx T15. So the T20 is the one you need to take out this first things for the cover, like right here is the T20 right here, and then right in the front right here T22. All right, let's begin. Right, what else you need is a plastic prier. So what you do with the plastic prier, you just pry right here like that, and then on the side like here, this thing comes like this, this thing comes like that, and then you take out this, you pull it like that out of the way. Right, so this cover comes out like that. So we go right here. So this is where our blower motor is. So we have to remove this right here. 1, 2, 3 right here, and then 4 right over there. Right. Before you take out this last one here, you remove this lock right here. You just press on this side, and once you press, you just pull it out. So this is what you press, and then you just take it off from here, and then here all the way to the back. Alright, so I come to the last one. It's right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we come right here, we'll see our blower motor. So it's being held by 4. This is a Torx 15. So this is one. This is the second one right here. This is the third one, and then this one right here is the fourth one. Okay. So we use our T15. Oh yeah. Yes. T15. Alright, let's go. Alright, the last one is going to be right here, so we just take that out. Make sure you hold it over here. I'm just using one hand, so guys, this thing is going to fall. So yes. So guys, our blower motor is out. So this is how it looks like. This is the old one. So in summary, you're going to get 10 screws. These and these are the same. This is for the cover, which is going to be below right here, and then these are going for the blower motor, and then this is for the external cover, which is right here. This is external cover, and this is for the cover which houses the blower motor, and then the last 4 is going to be for the blower motor, just right here, here and here. So that's how simple it is to get it out. And to put it back, you just do everything in reverse, and then if you have questions you can leave in the comment section, and then see you in the next video.